Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Ford GT. Begin by lightly sketching the car's fundamental shape, focusing on its distinctive low and wide stance. The Ford GT is known for its sleek, aerodynamic profile, which is crucial to capture early on. Remember, the car is roughly 45 inches tall and 77 inches wide, so keep those proportions in mind as you establish your initial guidelines. A central horizontal line will help maintain its characteristic low-slung look. Next, let's refine the key features that make the Ford GT instantly recognizable. Pay close attention to the teardrop-shaped cabin and the pronounced, muscular wheel arches. These elements give the car its aggressive and powerful appearance. Don't forget to sketch in the large, unique headlights and taillights, along with the iconic flying buttresses that flow from the roofline to the rear fenders. The sharply raked windshield also plays a vital role in its dynamic look. Now, let's add some crucial details like the wheels and aerodynamic elements. The Ford GT features large wheels, often 20 inches in diameter, with low-profile tires that fill the wheel wells. Carefully sketch the intricate designs of the rims. Also, incorporate the many functional air vents and ducts found across the body, which are essential for cooling and aerodynamics. These details truly enhance the car's high-performance aesthetic and contribute to its overall aggressive stance. Finally, it's time for shading and finishing touches to bring your Ford GT drawing to life. Use shading to create depth and emphasize the car's sculpted contours, making it appear three-dimensional. Apply darker lines for strong definitions and lighter strokes for reflections on the sleek surfaces. Consider adding subtle textures to represent materials like glass, carbon fiber, or metallic paint. Ensure your light source is consistent to cast realistic shadows, giving your drawing a polished and professional look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.